Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Kandpal. What's the date today? Today is 24th July 2020. And welcome back again class 4. In computer subject, chapter number 3 is your more about MS Word. Okay, student? Now, today we are going to discuss two practical. Practical number first, and after practical number 2. Both will be discussed practically and thoroughly, both of them. Okay. Now let's start. Practical number first question is typing and editing text in MS Word. Okay. Student, how to type it? How to type in the typing and editing text in MS Word. So let's start step by step. Number first, open a blank document. Okay, file. For this, click on the file tab, then select the new option and then select the blank document template in the backstage view and click on the create button. Simply it's our first step. Now second, come to the second step. Type in the text as shown. Okay. Third, insert the line. The cactus can grow in very dry places like deserts after the third line of the text as shown there. So it's a changes of editing in a third step. Next, come to the next code. Cut this line and place it at the end of the paragraph. So next, fifth, select the entire paragraph by using triple click of the mouse and copy it to the clipboard. Sixth step, paste the copied paragraph 3 times in the same document to make 4 paragraphs as it is same. Okay. Now next 7th, now check the spelling of the whole document and remove any spelling error if there are any. Okay, if there are any error to correct the first. Now last step, save the document finally by any name as you like. So this is your practical number first. It's thoroughly. After we will complete paragraph practical 2 in thoroughly, and after we will let's practically we discuss in two practicals. Okay. Next is your practical number 2. Okay. Firstly, we will discuss thoroughly one by one step. After, we will do and complete with a practical way. Okay. Question is using the find and replace features. We already know about this feature of find and replace in our previous video. Firstly, open a new blank document and type a title in it as shown. Means like a story line. Okay. Write only a blank document only for this paragraph. Okay. Next second, press Ctrl plus A to select the whole title. Okay, student, Ctrl plus A is selected all this whole title. Next third, copy and paste the title below its existing position. Okay, we will use in copy paste option the title below its existing position. Now next fourth, change all the instances of the 4 to 7 in the pasted title using the find and replace option. Okay, now last fifth, now try to find the answer of both these titles. So find and replace features is used in help of any kind of a mistake in related your paragraph. Okay, students? Students, let's start your practical number first. Typing and editing text in MS Word means how to editing in this paragraph. See students, in this paragraph already mentioned lines, but we want to some edit in this paragraph one line. So how to edit? See student, this is a paragraph. You must be wondering why do cacti not have any leaves? Well, in fact, they do have leaves. So these sharp spines on a cactus plant are its leaves to keep it from losing its water. The cactus leaves are very small. These leaves have very sharp thorns to protect from the cactus plant from birds and animals that would otherwise eat it. So this is the practical of basis of editing. So students, see this line. In a second line its leaves. So next one line is missed in this paragraph. So see student how to add it. So write in this next, press caps T, then again small d, space cactus, next can grow in very dry places, space like desert, DESERTS. So I added this one line in this paragraph. So this highlighted line is called a editing, means changes. Okay, in this paragraph we change in this paragraph one sentence. Okay students, so this is called editing, means are changes. Okay, now students, see next practical number 2, using the find and replace feature. So how to find the word in this paragraph. So student, just see see properly home tab. Firstly we will go in home tab, then next we will see top of area find and replace option is here. So just click find. Okay, so see dialog box will be open in find and replace. So in this find what we will find. So firstly we will find 4 in this sentence. In this paragraph we will find in 4 what times it's going on 4 in this sentence. So just write in 4 FOUR in this dialog box, and then see properly student, then click find next. See, highlight this one 4 and find next more. How many 4? How many times are 4 there in this paragraph? So just click find next again and again. So then again. So how many times 4 in this paragraph? So 1 2 3 4, 4 times. Okay, so it's a find option, related find dialog box. We can easily find this in this paragraph, any letter. Okay, any word. Now see student, next is replace. Okay, what is the replace feature in this MS Word? So see student, just see a dialog box, find and replace, and click this replace. Okay, okay student, just write any word. Okay, so I'm writing cats. Write. Okay, then click find next. See another. Okay, so 2 times in cat in already mentioned in this paragraph. So student, just change this replace. You can replace any name to change to cats. So write dogs. Okay, then replace. So student, this is a feature of find and replace features option in MS Word. Okay, Class 4th. Chapter number 3, more about MS Word. Students, in previous video, we discussed about the important points to related in your chapter MS Word. First, MS Word is a popular word processor program of the MS Office suite. Okay, it's a most important popular program of the MS Office. Then next, second, selecting text means highlighting the text. Means text selection can be done using both the mouse and keyboard. So selecting text means highlighting to show in your document, highlighting the text form. Okay. Then next, editing. Editing means you know a student very well to do correction and changes. Okay. And modification in a document to make it error free. Okay. So it's a editing feature. Now next, fourth, moving. Moving the text means to remove text from one location and put it somewhere else. Okay, means shifting, move to one location to another. Next, this is done using the cut paste option. Okay. Then next, fifth, copying the text means to make a copy of text and place it elsewhere. So this is done using the copy and paste option regarding. Okay, so this is a copy and paste feature to according our use of our text. Now next is sixth, the undo option helps us to reverse the last action. Means it's repeated reverse the last action, and the shortcut is Ctrl plus Z. And next, other than the repeat option, repeats the action undone using the undo command. Okay. Its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. Now next point, the spelling and grammar command button lets you check the spelling and grammar of the text in your documents. Means student spelling and grammar shortcut is F7. So we can check easily our mistake related in our document. Okay. And then next, using find and replace feature, you know very well. You can find a particular text, okay, string in your document and replace it with another text string. Means we can find easily any text, any word, okay, any sentence related to a find option and replace to change to another related of a option. Now student, come to the next topic we already discussed. Let's revise again. Terms to learn means word processor, a special type of software which allows us to work with text to create text documents. Okay. Next, editing, making correction to a piece of text or documents. Then removing a piece of text from one place and pasting it at some other place. Then next, copying a piece of text from means one location and pasting it at another location to shifting. Then next, fifth, spelling and grammar, a feature in MS Word that allows us to check for spelling and grammar related errors in our document. Okay, it's very important and simple feature in our word processor. And next, student, we already done in previous video related activity, page number 48. So student, just check in your book. If you're not done, so complete student fastly. Okay, so first Ratan wants to make sure that she does not have any spelling errors. So which feature she should use? She should use so spelling and grammar feature. Okay. Then next, second, Meena wants to replace the word find by found throughout her document. So which feature she should use? Find and replace feature. Okay. Then student, come in a next worksheet number first. Just check out in your book. Fill in the blanks. So first is MS Word is a popular dash program, means word processing. Okay, just check out Next, the dash and dash commands are used to create duplicate copy of selected text. So copy and paste is correct. Okay. Then third, moving text means to remove text from one location and place it at another location. So it's remove. Okay. Next, when we make changes to a document, it is called simply editing. Okay, yes, we know very well. Then last, the dash option helps to reverse the last action. Which one, students? Undo. Okay, undo option is the correct. Now, student, come to worksheet number 2. See properly and fill it in your book. Take the correct answer. First, shift and arrow keys are used to dash text. Which one, student? B. Select. Mark the select. Then second, making changes to the text is called, we know very well, C is correct, editing, mark the C option. Then next 3, which command can be used to repeat an action undone by the undo command? A is redo. Okay. Next, making duplicate copy of the text is called A option, means copying. Okay, mark the copying. Next, fifth, which tab contains option 2? Save files and create new files, etc. So A is file tab. So student, next and check the properly worksheet number 3, true and false. First, redo means to cancel a command given earlier. False. Okay. To select a single work, we need to triple click on it. Next is false. Next, third word, allow us to insert text within a already typed text. It's true. Okay. Next, fourth, the spelling and grammar command button is situated under the review tab. So it's true. And fifth, last, find and replace buttons are situated in the paragraph group of home tab. So it's false and we already done in previous video. So check it fastly, student. Okay, next is worksheet number 4. Match the columns correctly. Number first, home tab. So student, correct is C, means editing group. Second, review tab, which one? Spelling and grammar. Third, triple click is the selecting a paragraph. Next, ribbon, tabs and command buttons. Last, cut and paste is moving a text. Now class 4, today's topic, we will going to discuss and complete worksheet number 5 and activity time. So students, open your notebook and let's complete the worksheet number 5, and after open this your books and complete activity time in your book. Okay students. So students, see, let's start worksheet number 5 and open your everyone notebook and write this question and answer. Okay. So answer the following questions. Let's start begin. First, what is the difference between copying text and moving text? So what is the question, student? Class 4, what is the difference between copying text and moving text? We know very well what is copying and what is moving. Okay. So student, let's start the complete the answer number first. Write properly in your notebook, write neat and clean work. Okay. So answer is, the difference between copying text and moving text are, okay, first, copying text, write properly and underline same as it is. To copy a selected piece of text means of text to place a copy of it at another place. Okay, while keeping it also at its original place. So copy means to selected piece of text, means of text to place a copy of it at another place. Okay, while keeping it also its original place. Next, moving text. Moving a piece of text means to cut a piece of text from one location and paste it at another location. Now student, come to the second question. What do the red and green wavy lines under the text indicate? Your question is second, what do the red and green wavy lines under the text indicate? So student, MS Word, we often see text having red and green wavy lines under it.
red wavy lines indicate a spelling error. Okay, it's very important, student, listen properly. Red wavy lines indicates a spelling error, and a green wavy line indicates a grammatical error. So it's different clearly. So red wavy line indicates a spelling error, and green wavy line indicates a grammatical error. Okay, student, class 4th. Now student, come to the next question. Question number 3. What is the use of find and replace feature? Okay. What is the use of find and replace feature? So answer is the find and replace feature of MS Word helps us to find a particular word in a document and replace it with another word. Means find and replace feature to help us find a particular word, and replace feature in a document and replace it with another word. Okay, now next come to the next question. Question number 4. What are undo and redo? The undo option is used for reversing the last action we performed in MS Word. So undo shortcut keys Ctrl plus Z and use in a Word document. Then next, the repeat option on the other hand helps us to repeat the action we have undone using the undo option, and shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. Now students, see, next is 5th. Last question is your how will you select a single word and a sentence using the mouse click. So question is how will you select a single word and sentence using the mouse click. So answer is to select a single word in a document, double click on it, and to select a sentence, hold down the Control key and click anywhere in the sentence. Okay students? So student, write in properly in your notebook. Now next student, come to the next one, activity time, page number 52 in your book. So student, page number 52, activity time, do in your book only. Okay. So just question, which feature of the MS Word these animals should use? So write in the blanks. So question is, I want to check spelling of the words I have typed. So your question is very simple in your document. Say students, I want to check spelling. So which option, which feature you will use in a sentence? Spelling and grammar feature. Okay, which one student? Spelling and grammar feature used. Next, I want to move a piece of text from beginning to the end in my document. So it's very simple. Guess what is answer? It's a cut and paste. Okay. So student, cut and paste is the correct answer. So is used in a move a piece of text from beginning to the end in my document. So next is, I want to change all occurrences of was with is in my document. So which one is use feature? Find and replace. Yes, correct. Then last, I have just deleted a piece of text accidentally. I want to get it back. I have just deleted a piece of text accidentally. I want to get it back. So answer is your undo. Okay. Back command is used in a undo command. Control plus Z we know very well. So student, complete it fastly. Now students, see properly, we completed today chapter number 3. Okay. So student, firstly revise properly in full chapter, read properly, and your homework is do worksheet number 5 in notebook and do practice practical number 1st and do practical number 2 and learn new words from notebook. Okay student. So this is your today's homework.